Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to edit photos on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the gallery app on your smartphone. Now from here just scroll down and select the photo you want to edit. Now to edit the photo, just tap on the pencil icon over here. Now from here you have a few options to edit your photo. Now if you tap on this icon, you can mirror or reflect your photo. Now if you tap on the middle icon, you can rotate the image. Now if you tap on this icon, you can change the aspect ratio of your image. Just like that. Now from here, if you tap on straighten, you can straighten your image. And if you tap on this icon, you can straighten your image horizontally. And if you tap on this icon, you can straighten your image vertically. Now from here, if you tap on this icon, you can apply filters on your image, just like that. Now from here, if you tap on this icon, you can edit your image. You can change the light balance, the brightness, the exposure, and much more. Now, if you tap on this icon from here, you can draw over your image. Just like that. Now from here, if you tap on this icon over here, you can use object eraser to erase an object from your photo, or you can use lasso, and if you draw around the image, you can select the image. Just like that. And if you tap on style, you can change the style of your image. Just like that. Now once you're satisfied with your edit, just tap on done. From here, just tap on save. Now from here, as you can see, you have two options. If you select keep current resolution, it will save the image with the same resolution. And if you tap on increase resolution, it will increase the resolution of the image while you're saving it. I will select increase the resolution. Now from here, just wait for a few seconds. Now, as you can see, this is how you can edit photos on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.